Anti-aging home remedies. Time makes all things better, but it fails to do magic to your skin. The process of aging is part of living, but eventually, it catches up with everyone. As time passes, our skin gets damaged and shows signs of aging such as dark spots, wrinkles, and dryness. And here are a number of things that speed up this process. Ever-changing lifestyles is the biggest contributor to premature aging. Eating processed food, alcohol, caffeine, sleep deprivation, lack of exercise and pollution, all these things invite crow's feet, dark circles, and dull skin. The natural aging process causes everyone to develop wrinkles, especially on parts of our body that are exposed to the sun, like the face, neck, hands, and forearms. For most, wrinkles develop between the ages of 40 and 50 as the skin loses moisture and thickness. Genetics also play a big role in the development of wrinkles. But exposure appears to be the biggest cause, especially in people with fair skin. So here are two of the easiest anti-aging face masks. 1. Papaya Pack. Papaya is rich in antioxidants and contains a special enzyme called papain that exfoliates dead cells and cleanses the skin's impurities. It also helps in regenerating new cells and provides elasticity to the skin. You will need few pieces of ripe papaya. What you have to do, mash the papaya to get a smooth paste. Add some water if required. Apply it all over the face and neck. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Papaya face pack will give best results if used twice a week. 2. Avocado mask. Avocados can enhance your skin radiance and diminish the fine lines and wrinkles. The carotenoids and vitamin E present in the fruit prevents the skin from free radical damage, while the vitamin C promotes collagen production, making the skin firm and smooth. You will need an avocado. What you have to do, remove the pit and grate the avocado into a paste. Use this paste as a mask on the skin for about 10 to 12 minutes and rinse off. You can also massage your skin with slices of chilled avocado kept in the freezer. Apply this once every week. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.